My name is Noboru Koshizuka from University of Tokyo. I'm working for the Interfaculty Initiative in Information Studies and the Professor and Dean of this institute of the University of Tokyo. Today I would like to talk about Data EX. Data EX is a technical and social platform for cross-domain data exchange and use. And now I'm responsible for the Data EX project. So I would like to share the screen. So the data is the most important asset for bringing about social innovation and digital transformation. So many people say that data is the oil of the 21st century. So for this purpose, big data in cyberspace and physical space are linked across all fields, both in the world. Japan are proposing the vision of data distribution, data free flow with trust, DFFT. In order to realize DFFT platform for data exchange or data distribution or data sharing, data use is necessary. So we must provide function to search, acquire, and connect the data. I think more function will be necessary, but this is a basic function for the data platform. On the other hand, in Japan, industry and national and local government and academic institutes such as University or Research Institute have already established many data sharing and distribution platforms. Some are technical one and the others are social one. And this shows such organization providing technical and social data platform. So now is the time to provide a technical and social platform to federate these platforms for cross-domain data exchange and use. Now we are starting a new platform and organization for operating the platform. Data EX is the name of the platform, and the DSA, Data Society Alliance, is the organization. We will start in the next April 2021. And next, I would like to talk about the vision of DSA and vision of the Data EX is slide shows a world of data-driven innovation. This is a vision of our DSA and Data EX. And to realize this vision, we are setting up four missions. The first one is we will establish a data-driven society with a democracy of innovation. Second one is we will develop data distribution infrastructure for the world. Third one is we will accelerate social implementation with technology and service development. And last one is we will collaborate and contribute to the world. So next, I'd like to talk about our concept and vision and more. And first one is most important one, democratizing innovation through the use of data. For me, this is the most important vision. Everyone has a chance to innovate by using data-driven scientific method. And the second one is a sustainable society through the use of data. And of course, DFFT, data free flow with trust. This is very important because this is the most important vision of Japan government for the data distribution in the world. And establishing a data business. Data business is one of the most important necessary condition of data society. So I think, for example, I think data trading market is very, very important. Next is further promotion of open data. In Japan, open data becomes very, very popular Many public sectors are providing open data, but we must go one more step forward. And for personal data, safe and secure personal data management is very important. Personal data store and information bank are very important data platform. So to realize these goals, we are taking some important technology approaches. Uh, First one is data platform federation architecture with API integration. We are not collecting data in one place, but we are connecting the data produced by each domain. So this means we will take the distributed federation architecture for data EX. And the second one is utilization-oriented data platform. A data platform from a standpoint of data users is very, very important. And the third one is governance neutral generic data platform architecture. This is because now many discussions of data governance are progressing in Japan. So, in the near future, data governance policy will change or new data governance policy will be established. So, for the data governance, future compatibility is very important. So, a flexible technology architecture is also important. Data EX can meet various data governance requirements in the future. And next one is global and international cooperation. This is very, very essential and important. Data will flow beyond the national boundary and beyond domains and beyond and so on. So global and international cooperation is essentially important. And this slide shows a tentative picture of our data EX system architecture, but this will change dynamically. So next, I'd like to mention one more issue, national data strategy of Japan. I think this is very important for the data community of industry, government, and academia in Japan. Because before 2019, Japan government has national ICT policy only, but we do not have a national data policy. In 2020, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has resigned, and the new Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga took office. New Prime Minister Suga has declared the establishment of the digital agency in Japan as a new ICT policy. Digital agency will be established in this year. Furthermore, he has directed to develop a national data strategy with the establishment of digital agency. In October 2020, a new task force of the national data strategy has started, and in December, the task force output first draft of national data strategy. I am one of the member of the task force, and this slide shows a draft document of the first draft document of national data strategy. But I'm sorry that all document is written in Japanese, so I cannot show English document for you. And in this national data strategy, data EX is adopted as a national level cross-domain data sharing infrastructure. Data EX has an important role in the data platform and included in the implementation plan schedule in the strategy. So I'm very sorry that now we have only Japanese document of the national data strategy. This slide shows a description of data EX in the document. So data EX will strongly support national data platform of Japan government. So now this is the final slide. and we are starting data EX project mainly in Japan. We are aiming primarily data distribution platform in Japan and the global world. We would like to collaborate with any other community of data infrastructure in the world. So if you are interested in our activity, please contact this address. Thank you very much.